Hello, everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Okay, Geeta Priya, ma'am, Yashashwini, ma'am, and Parvati, ma'am has joined. We're just waiting for one person. Ramya, ma'am, she'll join shortly. Post which we can begin this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ramya, ma'am has joined. Okay, Ramya, ma'am also has joined, ma'am. Okay, we have Ramya, ma'am, Yashashwini, ma'am, Parvati, ma'am, and Geeta Priya, ma'am here. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to this Scratch introduction. We are really happy to have you here. And this workshop was basically designed for women on career break who are looking for learning some new skill to start their career. And I think you all are part of Skills by Codepreneur community. We believe in one skill at a time and one step towards financial independence. And this event is such a step. Uh, Telling about Scratch, it's a beginner-friendly visual coding platform. It's very easy without tech background. Also, you can learn. And throughout this workshop, you learn the skill and you'll get an idea whether you can take up Scratch as a next career path for you to start earning. So before we begin the session, I'd like to introduce our trainer, Ramatilagam ma'am. Hi ma'am, she has joined from Salem. And Ramatilagam ma'am has 4 years of experience in Codepreneur and she has been teaching Scratch, Canva and computer basics to children. And what makes her special is she's very patient. Her explanations will always be clear, simple, and engaging. So we are very confident that you will enjoy this session. Over to you, Ramatilagam ma'am.
Thank you so much, Bhatya ma'am, for your warm introduction. And thank you, Anita ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity. And hello, everyone. Myself, Ramatilagam, and I'm Visual Courses Trainer at Codepreneur. And I have been here for 4 years. As she said, I'm handling Scratch, Canva, and the computer basic courses to kids from various regions of the world, like Singapore, Hong Kong, Europe countries. So, yeah, and also I'm welcoming you all to this um, workshop today. And let's start our workshop. So, let me share my screen first. Are you all able to see my screen? Please thumbs up or raise your hand or in the chat, just type yes. Okay, thank you. So, what is Scratch? So, Scratch is a block-based coding platform. It is a cool platform which is created for kids, mainly focused on kids, and it helps the kids to learn the programming fundamentals. And it is very easy for beginners to create stories, games, and animation. And it's not like a traditional language. It is like a block-based coding. It is simply you're like joining the blocks, Lego blocks, and you are building some uh, buildings, right? So like that, using the blocks, you can create your stories, games, and animation. And why Scratch? As I said, it is not at all technical. It is not a traditional technical coding language. It is purely a block-based visual coding blocks. You can take it and arrange it. You can build it and you can make your own stories and animation. and it is very easy to learn as it is mainly developed for kids. So it is very easy for self-learning also. And also why I personally and strongly recommend Scratch for the woman who wants to restart their career is myself, I started as my restarted my career with Scratch. So 4 years ago, I was working as a Montessori teacher, and after my marriage, I quit my job and I have to move to Salem. And immediately within 4 months, lockdown has happened. So, so on that time, until I get the advertisement from CodePanna, I don't know what was Scratch. So once I see the post from CodePanna, so I browsed, I learned, I watched video tutorials from YouTube, and I learned the Scratch on my own. So it is very simple, and now I am teaching for 4 years. So it is very simple and easy to learn on your own. And today, agenda is to explore the fundamental blocks and boost the confidence. Okay, so let's go to the Scratch interface. So I hope you have all downloaded either the offline editor or online editor. Have you all opened the Scratch interface, downloaded the Scratch
It is only a YouTube link.
YouTube link? So it is the process of how to download the software, the Scratch. Have you all opened, or if anyone
The
needs?
link now.
Sorry, ma'am. Come again.
Can you send the editor link? I am not able to see that.
Okay, so let us use the online one. Just go to Google and type for Scratch online editor.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. I've shared the link. If anyone wants to offline editor, please download from that.
Or you can make use of the online editor. So just search for Scratch online editor and click the first link. And it also free one. So no need to pay anything. So just click on this link and just click create.
After clicking that link, it is asking for join. Join we have to give or download?
Either you can create an account or you can simply use it. So what is the difference between creating an account and without account using is, if you create an account, you can use it anywhere. Like you can use it in some other laptop also or anywhere, any place, any
Okay.
device. That is the only thing. And you can share your project with the community. So everyone has your interface with you, the Scratch interface. Please open the Scratch interface. Okay, so first of all, let us explore the components in our Scratch interface. Okay, so this Scratch interface is divided into three parts. Okay, so this is the stage. So this is the stage. Here, our characters are going to perform. Okay, and this is for starting a project, starting an animation, and this is for stopping. Okay, this button is for stopping it. Okay, and this is the sprites pane. So sprites are nothing but the characters. The characters we used to call in Scratch as sprite. Okay. So this
Ma'am,
sprite,
sorry to interrupt, ma'am. We are able to
yes.
see the PPT here, not the
Oh,
screen.
okay. Sorry, 1 second. That I have shared the. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
The
Go ahead.
Scratch screen. So this is our Scratch interface, and it is divided into 3 parts. Okay, and this part is called stage. So in the stage, the characters are going to perform. Okay, and the top of it, you can find 2 buttons, a flag-like symbol and a red button. So this is for starting an event, starting an animation or games, and this is for stopping. Okay, and the bottom is the sprite span. So here the characters are called sprites. Okay, so if we are creating a game or animation, we need a character to perform it. Right? So in Scratch, we used to call the characters as sprite, and the characters of the properties of the sprites are displayed here. So this is the name of the sprite. So this cat's name is sprite1. So it is showing sprite1. Okay, and this x, y is for the position. These coordinates is mainly for positioning the character. And this x is mainly concentrating on moving the characters horizontally, either to left or right. And this y position is for moving up and down, that is vertically. Okay, and both combine to join to positioning the characters. Okay, and this is for the size of this character and the direction of the character. So if you want to change the direction, just type here, click here, and use the arrow to rotate and fix the direction. And again, here also, you can, if you want to make it bigger, give more than 100. Let me give 200. Press enter. So the size has large. Okay. And if you want to make it smaller, 50. So see here, I have reduced the size of it. Okay. And if you add one more, if you want to add one more sprite, then you can go here. Can you see the icon here? Choose a sprite. So there are 4 options available. This is for choosing a sprite from the Scratch library. So here, Scratch provided us with some sprites. You can go here and choose one. And also, it is organized. Like if you only want the animal sprite, you can click on this animal tab. So all the animal related sprites that are available in the library will be appear here. And if you want only people, you can go with the people tab. Or music, you can go and find music instruments. Or food, you can go like this. Okay. Or if you know the name of it, you can simply type here. So if I want to have egg, just type egg, it will appear. Okay. So if you want to add one, just scroll down and whichever you want, just click on it. If I want this bananas, you can just click on it. Simply click on it, it will appear. One second, it is taking time. So see here. So again, see here, this is banana. So the properties of the bananas are available here. So the sprite name is banana and the position is X 134 and Y negative 30. And the size is 100 and the direction is 90. And it is showing, if you want to hide it, click on this second icon, hide sprite. If you want to show, click on this one. Okay. And if you want to delete any one of the, like if you want to delete this cat, you just click on it and click the trash symbol and click yes, it will get deleted. Okay. And see, the stage is so empty. I want to fill it with some beautiful background. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to this second icon, choose a backdrop, and again choose this magnifying lens. So again, that is a library for backdrop. So you can choose one from your library. Okay. So I'm simply, again, there is a tab. If you want fantasy related backdrops, you can go to fantasy, or music related backdrops, you can go to music. So space means space, underwater, like this. Okay. I'm simply choosing a random one here and just choosing the castle too. Okay. So you have your backdrop. Here in Scratch, we used to call the background as backdrop. Okay. And the center one is called script area. Okay. Here where you are going to arrange the blocks to make as a script. Okay. And this one is the coding area. So here the blocks are available. You can click and draw and make your script. Okay. Again, here also there is, it is arranged here as a palette. Okay. So this motion is called the motion, the movement related blocks are comes under motion palette. And the looks palette consists of appearances related blocks. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, clear. Now.
And the sound related blocks are available under sound palette. And the events, when it has to start, when the project has to start, that you can use that you can build using this blocks, events block. And control, we should have a control over your project, right? So all the control related blocks will be available under control palette. And this is sensing. So computer senses through mouse pointer, keys, and all. So all the sensing related blocks will be available under the sensing palette. And we need some calculation to be performed for our games. So for that, Scratch is provided with some basic mathematical operations like logical operators, comparison operators, and basic arithmetic operators are there. And variables. So when you create a game, the main thing is you have to create a scoreboard, right? So for making score, the variables are widely used. Apart from that, you can use it as a container. Like if you want to add some values to your values, you can make use of variable. And my block is for you can customize your own block. Okay. And today we are going to focus on these 5 palettes, some fundamental blocks from these 5 palettes. Okay. And this is the coding tab and this is the costume tab. Costumes are nothing but, let me choose one more. Costumes are nothing but the other appearances of that particular sprite. So see here, she is standing and she is like ready for jump and she is floating and like this. Okay. The costumes are nothing but the other appearances of that sprite. Okay. And this one is for sound tab. So you can choose different sound, like the same as the sprite and backdrop. You can click on the magnifying lens for choosing your sounds. Again, if you want animal sounds, you can click on this animal tab to choose the sound. You can click on this play button to preview the sound. And once you selected the sound, you just click on it. It will be displayed here. And now you can go to code and you can go to sound and you can make use of it. Okay. So see here, we have selected the duck sound. So it is selected here. Okay. Any doubts in the interface, the components? Any doubts?
Ma'am, in the costume, we have only one character, one sprite, no, ma'am?
Yes. So
What is
this
the
is,
use of that only one sprite there?
no, this is the costume of this particular sprite. If you go here, like in the sprites, okay, not
Okay.
all the sprites have the costumes. Okay.
Okay.
Some
Okay.
of it has costumes, some of it doesn't have any costumes. So see here, this bear has some costume.
Okay.
Okay. But this bow tie doesn't have any.
Okay.
So this butterfly, so go to costume, it has costumes.
Okay.
Okay. So like that, not all the sprite have costume, but most of the sprite have costumes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, are you all ready for creating animations? Yes. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. So the first animation we are going to make is, we are going to make this butterfly circling around. So I'm just clicking on the flag. So see here, it is circling around. So let's see how to make this. So observe this, what it is doing. It is flipping its wing. It is moving around. It is circling around. Okay. So to do so, let us, first of all, I want to choose the butterfly, right? So go to animals. This is the butterfly I want, and click butterfly 2. I don't want these things, so delete. Okay. And for the backdrop, I have selected this one, the forest backdrop. So I'm just clicking forest, or you can choose any other backdrop also, but choose this sprite. Okay. Now, what we need to do, we need to make it circle around. So how do you draw a circle? So how do we draw a circle? We take a pen and, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. So how do you draw a circle? First, you want to take a pencil and you have to move. Okay. But if you move like this, what happens? It becomes a straight line. So what you have to do? Move, turn, move, turn, move, turn, move, turn. Like this, it goes on. Right. The same thing we are going to do here. So we are going to make the butterfly move and turn. So for that, what we need to do? We have to go to the motion block, because it is a movement related blocks. Then you have to go to motion palette. So see here, move 10 steps. Take this block. Yes, it is moving. Okay. And if you want to bring it back, you can use the negative number. Okay. Negative in front of the number means it brings back. Okay. Now I just want the butterfly to move forward. So I'm just simply using 10, positive 10. Okay. So next what I need, move and turn. It should not move continuously. It should move and turn. So for that, what we need to do, you have to make use of turn block. So this arrow indicates the clockwise. Okay. And this means anti-clockwise. Okay. So I just want to turn clockwise. So I'm just simply using clockwise. So see here. Wow. It is moving. It is circling around. Okay. But so instead of clicking it for so many times, I can simply use a block called, go to control. There is a block called forever. So forever means it does the action again and again and again in a loop. So I'm just simply placing these two blocks inside forever. So see here. Wow. Without clicking, it is circling around. Okay. By adjusting the number of steps and degrees, you can increase the circumference of the circle. Okay. So let me give 5 and let me give 3 here. So see, wow. Before it was too close. Now it is circling properly. Okay. And again, I need a common button to start my project. So as you know, go to events and take this when flag is clicked. So this is the event block. Okay. So if you click on this flag, it automatically runs the program. Okay. And one more thing we need to do, right? It is flipping the wing. In the animation I showed you, it is flipping its wing. So again, I already told you costume. It has 2 costumes. So see here, it is flipping its wing. So what I need to do is simply I need to switch the costume. I need to change the costume. So all the appearance related blocks comes under the looks palette. So go to looks and there is a block called next costume. Next costume means it changes to its next costumes. So see here, it is like flipping its wing. So simply you just add it here. That's it. Now click. Wow. But the flipping is too fast, right? So I need to slow down the action. So for that, what do you need to do? Go to control and take a block called wait 1 second. So this wait 1 second, delay the action for 1 second. If you want to increase the number, you can increase it like 10 or 5 or 6 like that. Or if you want to decrease it, you can give it in 0.5 or 0.2 like that. Okay. Now I'm giving it as 0.5. So see here, even if you want to reduce the number, you can reduce it by 1. It is 0.1. So this wait second is for delay the action. Okay. So our idea is to make the butterfly circle around. So for circle, you need to use move and turn. Okay. So all the movement related blocks will comes under motion palette. So take this move and turn, adjust the numbers. Okay. So that it can circle properly. Or if you want to have it simply, you can have it. Okay. Then I just want this to happen again and again. So I'm just placing inside the forever block. Okay. Then what is my idea? I want to flip its wing so that it looks like flying. Okay. So for flipping the wing, I can simply go to looks block and take next costume. Next costume is nothing but it changes to the next costume. So it has only 2 costumes. So it switches between 1 and 2, that is A and B, like this. Okay. So I just simply adding next costume to my script. Okay. This is the script. And if I simply add it like this, the flipping wing, the next costume is too fast. So what I need to do, I just want to delay the action. So you have to go to control and take wait 0.1 seconds block. Okay. So you can reduce or either increase or reduce the number so that you can make the butterfly fly properly. Okay. So here I need 0.1 seconds. So I'm just adding 0.1 second. Or if you're okay with 0.5 second, you can have 0.5 seconds. Okay. Are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Okay. Now try it in your device. So once you're done, please ping me like in the chat. Please say done. Naguman is super fast. Very nice, Naguman.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Kalaiman.
Drop that move 5 steps and click on that. It is not moving. What should I need to do?
Sorry, come again, Geetama. Moving
Uh,
5 steps.
yeah. So how to make it run?
Click the flag.
When I just draw, yeah, the
Or just
flag is not highlighted.
use this block. Go to events and take when flag is clicked and place it.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah. Or otherwise, you just simply click on the block. Then you will be able to see whether it is moving forward or backward. Like
Yes, now okay, ma'am. Yeah.
have you all done?
1 minute, ma'am. I'm about to.
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
I cannot add that costume.
Are you doing it?
See, look, the costume is there, no?
Yeah, wait. I think you are doing it in backdrop. Just click on the sprite and do the coding.
Okay.
You might be doing in the backdrop. Just click on the sprite and then go to code and add the blocks.
I selected the next costume. Where to select that weight?
Control. It is in control. Go to control. The first block is weight.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
selected sprite only, ma'am.
Then it should appear. Go to looks and there is a block called next costume. It is here.
It's not.
Next costume. Have you found it? Have you found it?
Yeah, ma'am, but in next costume, it's coming as name or number. Something it's showing.
No. See here. Go to looks and
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth block. Sixth block is the next costume block.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry.
Yeah. Good, Geeta ma'am.
If that code is selected, how to delete it, ma'am?
Code is selected.
Yeah.
You can simply click on the stop button.
Done, ma'am.
Good. Have you all done? If you are done, please message in the chat. Say done or thumbs up. Or if you need time, just say. So we will wait. Okay, very good. Javi ma'am done. Ramya ma'am done. Good. So have you all done? Or anybody needs time? Shall we move into next project? Very good. Yes, Ashwini. Ashwini. Okay. So we have done a very good, Barbata. So we have done a project, right? So we need to save it. So for that, what you have to do? You have to go to File and you have to click Save to your computer. Okay. And if you click on it, it automatically saves. Or if you are using offline editor, it will take you to the library. You can go to your folder wherever you want to save, rename it and save it. If you are using online editor without account, if you click on save to your computer, it saves in your downloads folder. Okay. And if you are using online editor with account, it automatically saves in the cloud. Or if you want to have a copy in your computer, you can click save to your computer. Again, it will save in your downloads folder. Okay. Now, if you want to make a new one, that is new page, you can click on this new. Or if you want to open the already existing file, you can click load from your computer. Okay. And one more thing you need to remember is you cannot directly open this project, the project file. Okay. So let me show you. So you cannot simply open this. Okay. You have to go to Scratch. First, you have to open the Scratch platform. Then you have to go to file and click load from your computer so that you can open the file. You cannot directly open it as like Word file or a PDF file. Okay. So you have to go to Scratch, then click load from your computer, and it takes you to the library and you can choose it. It doesn't downloads, you can open it. Okay. So let me create a new one because we are moving to a new project. Okay. So the second project is, wow, there are 3 sprites. Before we were done with only 1 sprite, and now we are going to have 3 sprites in your project. Okay. So let me play it. So what is happening here? So the cat is wishing the monkey, and the monkey replies, "Thank you." Okay. And the cake is playing the birthday song. Okay. Let's see how to make this. So first of all, we need to select. Already cat is there. The default sprite is cat, so it is always available when you open the Scratch. Okay. And I just want monkey, so you can type it here, monkey. And I want one more sprite, the cake. So I can type cake. Okay. So I'm just paste it, click and move. Okay. Like that you can arrange the sprites. And I want a backdrop. So go here. I need party backdrop. So you can search for party. Yes. Okay. Now, who is going to start first? The cat. Okay. So what it has to do? It has to say, happy birthday, Fred. Okay. Or happy birthday, monkey. So if you want to make a sprite to display some message, you have to make use of go to looks palette and click say hello block. Okay. So say hello block for 2 seconds. Okay. So 2 seconds is for like this message will be displayed for 2 seconds. If you want to increase the second, you can increase the number or decrease the number. Okay. And this say hello, the difference between say hello for 5 seconds and say hello is for this display the message until the end of the project. Okay. But if you use this, it only display the message for 5 seconds and then it disappears. See here, it disappeared. Okay. So now I just want this one with the seconds. So I just want to type the sentence here. Happy birthday, monkey. Okay. And this should happen when I click the flag. Okay. So, so how does conversation build? If someone is talking, the other has to listen, right? So the monkey should not say thank you at the same time, right? So what happens if it says thank you at the same time as cat? Both will overlap, right? So what we need to do, if someone is talking, the other has to listen. So the cat is wishing first, so the monkey has to wait until he done his speech. So the cat is wishing him for 2 seconds. So he has to wait for 2 seconds. So go to control and take the wait 2 seconds block. First, he needs to wait 2 seconds. Then he needs to say, thank you, friend. So see here, he is saying happy birthday, monkey. After that, he is replying, thank you, friend. Okay. This is how we need to develop the conversation. Okay. If someone is talking, the other has to listen for that many seconds. If the cat is speaking for 5 seconds, then monkey has to wait for 5 seconds. Like this. Okay. Now, one more thing, what we need to add? We need to add some sound. So go to cake. Okay. And I'm going to add the sound. Go to sound. The default sound is already there. You can simply make use of it. Play sound and go to events. And all this should happen when I click on the flag. So see here. Okay. So we have three sprites. One is cat, one is monkey, and the next one is the cake. So the cat is wishing monkey a happy birthday. Okay. So he is displaying the message for 2 seconds. So until that 2 seconds, the monkey has to wait. He needs to listen what is cat is saying, what cat is saying. Okay. So we just added wait 2 seconds. Okay. Then he has to reply, thank you, friend, for 2 seconds or 5 seconds, however second you can add it, increase or decrease the seconds. Okay. And the cake's work is to just simply add the sound. Okay. Just simply play the sound. So for that, what you need to do, go to sounds palette and take the block, play sound until done. Okay. So the difference between play sound and start sound is, so it starts, or it only starts the sound and goes back to the next block. Okay. But play sound means it completes the sound and then goes to the next block. If you add some more block, it completes the block, it completes the entire song, then it goes to the next action, next block. Whereas start sound, it starts the sound, it plays, continues the sound, but it goes to the next actions, next blocks. That is the difference between play and start sound. Okay, here we are going to use play sound until then. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts in this? Shall we try this? Yeah,
Ma'am, that cat
yes,
says happy birthday, no, ma'am.
yes.
But we cannot hear that. Only the music is. I can hear that.
No, this
Here.
is only for displaying the message. That is why I say it is for displaying the message. It doesn't speak.
Okay.
It only for
But
displaying the message.
can you play? I cannot see that message is displaying where it is.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Can you see here?
Yeah. Now I can see.
Yeah. Yes. So all of you go to file and click new, take a fresh page, then add cat, monkey, and cake sprite and party backdrop.
Ma'am, here
Yes.
need not we need not add forever.
Yeah. So here I don't want to display this message forever. Okay. I just want to
Not just
say happy.
that tone, that play sound. Till we click a stop, it will be playing, right?
No, the length of the sound. I'm talking about the length. So if it is 5 seconds, it plays the entire 5 second sound. That's it.
So it
Okay.
won't
It doesn't repeat. No. Yeah. So add the three sprites. So those who are done, please ping me in the chat. Super Naginam. Super Kalanam. Good Ramya. Super Javina.
Both when flag clicked and this next block join, we cannot separate them.
We cannot. No, your voice is low.
Sorry,
Little louder, please.
if two blocks are joined, how to separate them?
So you have to separate them means you can just click and pull it down. And you have to, separate from the last block. You cannot move it like this. You have to move it like this from the last. And if you don't want this block, just click and just put it away. That's it.
Where is the say tab?
Ma'am, your voice is too low for me.
Sorry,
Can
sorry.
you?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Where is that say block, ma'am?
Go to looks and you can find the first block as say block.
Thank you.
So you have to code in that particular sprite. So if you are coding in cat, just click on the cat and then do the coding. If you want to do the coding for monkey, click on the monkey sprite and then do the coding. Then cake and add the block. So don't confuse with the sprites. If you want to add a code to this particular sprite, click on the sprite and do the coding, add the blocks. Good, Yashwini ma'am. So are you all done? Okay. So let's have a quick quiz on these topics. Okay. Are you able to see my screen, the presentation PowerPoint screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question is you just type the options. If it is A, just type A. Okay. Or B means B. So just type the options only. So the first question is, can you use the move steps block to move a sprite backwards? Yes, by using a negative number. No, it is not possible. Yes, by using a positive number, only if the sprite is facing a certain decision. Wow. Super quick answers. Very nice. Yes, we can make the blue move steps to make a sprite backwards by using a negative number. Very nice. And the second question is, how do you change a sprite's costume in Scratch? Using the costume block or using the save block, using the next costume block or using the go to layer block? Very good. Super. Very nice. And the next is, what does the wait block do? Creates a delay between two blocks, plays a sound, stops a script from running, repeats a set of blocks. Wow, good. Very nice. Very good. And the next question is, what is the purpose of the when flag click block? To stop a script, to start a script, to repeat a script, to wait. Very good. To start a script. When the green flag is clicked, it starts a script. Very nice. So yeah, I'm very happy that you have quickly grasped the concept, the blocks, understanding the blocks. Very nice. So let's get into the third animation. So the third one is, it is very simple. So see here. Wow, it is changing its color. Okay. So let's see how to do this. So go to file, make a new one. Before that, you just, all of you save your project by clicking the option save to your computer. Okay. Now what we need to do is go to sprite. Here I'm going to letters. Okay. So there are three different styles of letters. You can choose any one of the style. Okay. So I'm just simply going to have scratch. Okay. Yes. And the next one is C. Again, go to letters. R. R. Letters. A. Go to letters T. Letters. Scroll down. C. go to letters and H. Okay. Now I have selected my letters. Now what I need to do, I have to arrange it, right? So first, there is S. So S is here, C is here, okay. Now I just arranged the letters. Now I need to fix this, okay. So for fixing the sprite, fixing the position, you have to go to motion and take the block, go to. So if you just move, it always automatically sets the X and Y position, updates the X and Y position. So simply you just move and then take the block and place it. That's it. Okay. So when I click the flag, it should be in this position. Okay. So you have to set for all the letters. So when flag is clicked, go to motion and go to XY. So like this, you have to add it for all the letters. When flag is clicked, go to motion, go to XY. Go to XY means you are sending the sprite to that particular spot, to that specific location. Okay. So this is also for fixing the position. It always go to that particular place. Okay. So go to when flag is clicked. When flag is clicked, go to motion, go to X1. So see here, I'm clicking the flag. What happens? It is in that, it goes to that particular position. Okay. Next, I want to add some coloring effect to my letters. Okay. So colors are the appearances. Okay. So go to looks and scroll down. There is a block called change color effect. Okay. So see here, change color effect by 25. So that means it keeps on changing the color by 25. Okay. And I want this to happen again and again. Only this action to be performed again and again. So I need to use forever. Okay. And first it has to go to this particular position and then it should keep on changing the color. So below that go to XY, I'm just having this forever, and inside the forever, I am keep on changing the color. So see here. Can you see here? Yes. Okay. If you want to add some delay, you can add wait seconds, or if you don't want, you can simply have it like this. 0.2 seconds or 3 seconds, like this. Like this. So you have to apply this to all the letters. So go here and take forever, go to looks, scroll down and change color. Okay. And this number represents, so see here, this number represents, each number represents a color. So if you are changing the color by 25 means, like say if you are in red and if you are changing the color effect by 25 means, it changes to green. Okay, 25. Again 25 means 50. So changes to blue. Again 50. Again 25 means 75. So changes to that particular color. That is what color effect by 25. Here also you can adjust the number. Either you want to change the color effect by 10 or 5 or 1, like that, or 70 or 80, like that. Okay, it changes the color according. If it is 10 means 10, first 10, this will be the first 10 color, then 20, 30, like this, it goes on. Okay. So like this, you have to apply the color effect to your sprite. Okay. So now all of you go to file and click on the new and add letters for your name, either your name or family member's name or any your favorite god's name, whatever. You just take the letters and arrange it by click and drag manually. Okay. Then fix the position using go to XY. Take the go to XY and place it below when flag is clicked. Okay. Then inside the forever, add change color. Change color will be in looks. No, you cannot select multiple sprites at a time. You have to choose one by one. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, really. Ping me once you're done. Super, Navina. Very good. So have you all done? Okay, super. Ramya ma'am. Good, Kalai ma'am. Super, Parvati ma'am. Super, Javi ma'am. Good, Parvadavati ma'am. Okay, all done. Shall we move to the next animation? Anybody needs time?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, super. So, So see here. So far we have used only one backdrop for our project, right? But see here, there are 3 to 4 backdrops here, okay? And once the cat reaches this edge, the backdrop change to the next backdrop, right? So let's see how to make this, okay? So first of all, what we need to do, go to File and click New, okay? And our sprite is cat, so no need to choose any other sprite, but we need 3 to 4 backdrops, okay? So for choosing the backdrop, go to backdrop icon, click this magnifying lens, okay? I'm randomly choosing the backdrops, okay? I'm not taking with any theme, I'm just randomly choosing it. So let me choose this blue sky, and I need, again, you have to go here and maybe the wall, again go here, broad walk, again go here, and the hip. Okay, so I have chosen 4 backdrops. So if you want to take a look at it, you have to click on this preview image of the backdrop. And even if you add more backdrops, only you can see one backdrop at a time. Okay, so you cannot see like the sprites, like displaying the sprite, all the sprites in the stage. You cannot see the backdrop. You can see the backdrop one by one, even though if you chose many. Okay, so if you want to take a look at it, just click on the preview image of the backdrop. Then the costume tabs change into backdrop style. So click on it. See, these are the selected ones. Okay. So blue sky, wall, broad walk, and hill. Okay. And I don't want this empty one. So I just simply deleting it. Just click and delete. Okay. That's it. Now I want to add code to it. Now go to sprite. Okay. Go to code. Now, first I want the cat to start from here. So how to fix the position? You have to move and place it, then go to motion and go to XY. Okay. Then I want to go to this position. Okay. So I want this to glide to this position. So for that, you have to make use of glide. Okay. Glide also making the sprite move to a particular position, but it gives you the sliding effect. So look at here. Can you see that? It gives you the sliding effect. But if you add go to XY, what happens is it disappears here and appears there. Okay. But this slide gives you the sliding effect to your sprite. Okay. So what I want to do, first I need to start from here. Okay. Then it has to glide to that particular position. Okay. Then once it goes to that, reaches this position, I want to change the backdrop to the next back, like it is moving across the backdrops. It is traveling across the backdrops. Okay. Once it reaches this position, I want to change the backdrop. So for changing the backdrop, go to looks. Okay. Like next costume, you have the block for backdrop also. Take this next backdrop. Okay. Where I have to use, once it glides to this particular position, then it should change the backdrop. So you have to place it below glide. Okay. So see here, I'm clicking this block. Am I audible? Am I audible, all of you? Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Yeah, thank you. So what we need to do first, it should start from this position, then it should glide, and then once it glides to that particular position, then it needs to switch its backdrop. Okay, and also see here it has the number. So this 1 second means it takes 1 second to reach that particular position. If you increase the number, the motion would be slower. So see here, it needs to take 6 seconds to reach that position. So automatically the motion will be slowed down. Okay. So if you want to make it faster, you have to reduce the number. And if you want to make it slower, you can increase the number. Okay. So here I just want to have 1 second or 1.5 seconds. Okay. Then once it reaches that particular position, it needs to switches the backdrop. So see here. Yes. Okay. So I want this to happen again and again. So you can make use of forever. Okay. So see here. Wow. So it is moving. I mean, crossing the 4 backdrops we have chosen. Okay. And you can add when flag clicked. Okay. And what is missing here? So see here. The cat is changing its costume. So what we need to do? We need to add costume, right? But what if I add the costume here? So once it reaches that next backdrop, it's changing its costume. I don't want to have like that. So what I need to do? I need to make this action to be happen simultaneously. Along with this action, it has to be performed. So what we need to do, you have to make it as a separate script. So what I need to do, again, when flag is clicked, simultaneously it should perform next costume. It should change to its next costume. And I just want to have a delay of 0.1 or 2 seconds. So see here, wow. It is changing its costume and along with the next backdrop. Okay. Then there is a sound, right? So either you can add it here, but now we are going to add it in the stage. You can add code to the stage also. So click here. So this is for the stage. Okay. You can add code for your backdrop. Okay, the stage. Okay, so for stage you don't have any motion block because you cannot move the backdrop, so there is no motion block available for the stage. Okay, and you can use some of the blocks from the looks, sounds, and all other palettes. Okay, so here I am just going to simply add the sound. So take play sound, but I don't want this pops on the default sound. So what I need to do, go to sounds. Already I showed you. So go to sounds tab, click here. Okay, you can choose any sounds from this. Okay, so I'm just using some loop sound. So I'm choosing this chill. Okay, now go back to code. Okay, it is in backdrop. Look at the tab here. It is in backdrop. Now click on this drop down list. Whenever you see this inverted triangle, there is a list of options available here. Okay, so click here. So my sound is chill, not the pop. So choose the chill. Okay, now use when flag is clicked. So see here. Again, It is keep on doing. That is, the changing of backdrop is keep on doing, but the sound has stopped. So what you need to do, you just simply add forever. So it plays the sound in loop. Okay, you can add this in Sprite also. There is nothing wrong in it, but I just want to show you how to add a script to the backdrop, the stage also. That is why I just added this thing. Even you can move this to Sprite or cat also. You can, again, you have to add it as a separate script. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? So first of all, first fix the position by move the cat and place it here, take go to XY. Then it has to reach this position, move the cat and take glide. Go to glide, go to motion and take glide 1 seconds to XY. It glides to that particular position. So take this and adjust the number, the speed, and then place it. Okay. Once it reaches this particular position, it needs to change to the next backdrop. So I'm just simply adding next backdrop, and that will be available in looks palette. Go to looks, scroll down. There is a block called next backdrop. Okay. Is it clear? Anyone, any doubts? Okay. So go to file and click new. Before that, save your previous project, and go to file, click new. And choose the sprite. Already the sprite is there. Choose 4 backdrops, 3 or 4 backdrops of your choice. Once you're done with the backdrop, click on the preview image of backdrop and delete the empty one. Click on the backdrops tab and delete the empty one, the default one.
Ma'am, where can I get this preview backdrop?
See here, can you see this preview one? The miniature
Ye-
image of the backdrop.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on it
Okay.
and then click the backdrops tab. Can you see here the tab here, backdrops?
Okay, okay.
Click that.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Once you arrange, click the sprite and start doing the script. Yes.
In sound,
Hmm.
how to choose? It is only showing POP pop.
So go to Sounds tab.
Okay.
Okay. Then choose this icon, choose a sound icon and click this magnifying lens.
Okay.
Okay. Then go to the whichever sound you want. If you want loops, you can go to loops and
Okay.
just preview the sound. If you like the
Okay.
sound, just click on it.
Okay.
Okay. Then go to code, go to sounds, take this play sound, and you can choose the sound you want. That's it. So you can add sound in either sprite or in the backdrop. Okay. So ping me once you're done.
I have done, but it's not, background is not changing automatically. I gave the next backdrop also.
Did you give it inside the forever block?
Yeah, ma'am.
You have done like this?
Which?
Same as
Yeah,
me?
yeah, same as you.
Have you chosen more than 2 backdrops?
No, only 4.
Only 4. Yeah, that's okay. But still, is it not changing?
Yeah, it's not changing.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Oh, yeah.
Let me stop my sharing. Yeah, share yours.
How to share, ma'am?
On the bottom of your screen, there is an icon called share.
Okay.
Click on it and choose that scratch tab and then click share again.
Window, no?
Yeah, the window.
One minute.
Yes. It is changing. That
No.
the XY position is wrong. You have to move the cat here and then take glide. Okay. You have given the same position for both the starting point and the ending point. So what you have to do is move the
In
cat.
glide, we have to. In
Yeah,
glide, I
you have.
have to.
Yes.
Okay.
Change the position for glide. Just move the cat and check for the X and Y position. Just change it. That's it. So it is 219. X position is 219. Just type 219. And Y is negative 131. Yes. Okay, that's it.
Now I
Yeah. So you just used 15 seconds. So the movement is too slow. You
okay.
can
Can I give
reduce
3?
the number. Remove the empty one. Click on this preview image of the backdrop. No. Here.
There?
Yes. Click on this preview image. Yes. Now click on the backdrops tab.
Here?
Here. I'm highlighting it. Are you able to see my writings?
Yeah, I cannot see your
Okay,
screen.
on the
Wait.
near. No, you just share your screen.
Okay. Unfortunately, mine is closed.
Okay. So near the code tab, 1 second, I will show you from my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Once you click this preview image of the backdrop, the tab change into backdrops. So click this backdrops tab, then you can delete the one you don't want. Just
So
click
this
and
we
click the
have to.
trash.
Okay.
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 Also, if you want to rearrange, click and move it. That's it. So like this, you can rearrange it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So everyone done?
How in backdrop, how to add the sound, ma'am?
Yeah, so just click on the backdrop. Okay, just go to, as usual, go to when flag is clicked. Okay, and go to sounds. Choose a sound, a random sound. Okay, I'm choosing the random sound. Go to code. Okay, then go to sound and take this play sound block and change the sound you want. Just click on this drop down list. All the sounds you have chosen will be displayed here. You have to select the sound you want and then just put it inside forever. That's it.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma'am. Let me try.
Okay, if you want to add code script to the backdrop, just click on the preview image of the backdrop, then do the coding. This is for stage. This is for backdrop. Very good, Parvati ma'am. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have completed, but
Yeah.
it seems like the cat is running. So how do I make it like a walking?
Yeah, add wait seconds. If you want to delay any action, you simply add wait second. That's it.
Okay. That has to be done parallelly.
Yeah, that is below the next costume because I am going to delay this particular action, the next costume action, because the next costume is changing rapidly. Okay, so I need to slow down that action. So you need to place it below that block, next costume block.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Or you're talking about the glide. Glide means you can increase the number. If it is moving too fast, then you can increase the number over here.
Okay, let me just check, ma'am. I just
Yeah,
run.
sure. We have only 15 minutes, so we make it a little faster.
Yeah, done, ma'am.
Very nice, good.
Ma'am, I'm not able to get that part. Like it's like jumping, not like jumping. The costume change is
Okay.
happening at a very small amount of time. So can
Okay,
I
can
just
you
share
share
my
your
screen?
screen? Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, can you play it?
So it's not like walking.
Because you have added 2 seconds here. So reduce the
Okay.
seconds. Maybe 0.5 seconds or 0.2 second. That would be fine.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
if you want to slow down the reaching time, then you can increase the number over here
The glide one.
in the glide. Yes. So the
So this
reaching time will
glide
be.
is okay. This glide is used to make the motion smooth,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, very good. So go to XY means it moves instantly. Okay. But glide means it
Okay.
moves
Okay.
smoothly. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you
Yeah,
so
thank
much,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah, sure. So have you all done? Shall we move to the next? Good, Kalaivani ma'am. Anybody else? Have you all done? Okay, we have only 10 minutes. So let me show you one more. Okay. So see here. So it is like a stick man is climbing the ladder. Okay. But in our library, there is no such stick man has existed. Okay. So then how to make this? So in Scratch, we can create our own sprite and also backdrop. Okay. Let me show how to do this. Okay. After the session, you can try it on your own. Okay. So there is a option called paint. Are you able to see my screen, all of you? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you just place the cursor over this icon and you can find the option called paint. If you click on it,
No, ma'am.
this.
We can see the output screen.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. We are able to see the output screen.
oh, okay, one second. Okay. So if you want to draw, you can go here and choose this paint option. Okay, so once you click, the editor will be appear like this. Okay, so here you can draw. So in the editor you have basic shapes, also you have brushes. Okay, so here we are going to make the stickman, right? So first of all I need to use a line. So click this and draw a line. Okay, if you want to increase the thickness of the line, then what you should do is select it. Select, this is the selection arrow, select and increase the number here. Can you see the number here? Increase the number. Okay, the thickness will be increased. Or if you want to change the color of it, you can click on it and you can adjust the scroll bar to get a particular color. Okay. I just want black, so I'm just decreasing the brightness to 0 so that I can get black. Okay, next I just want to add draw hands. Okay, so just click and extend like this. Then from here, extend like this. Then start from here, here, then here. Okay, now I need a head. So take this circle, okay, and I want to draw a circle. Okay, but the circle is hollow, right? I need to fill it with color. So what I need to do, go to fill, click here, and again make color and saturation to 100 and brightness to 0 so you can get black. That's it. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to make one more costume so that he looks like climbing up. Okay, so for that I'm just duplicating it. Okay, select the entire thing. I'm just simply going to flip it. Okay, so just click flip. So it flipped. Okay, so now see, it is like this. Okay, now I want to create a backdrop. Again, you just go to the backdrop and click the paint option. Okay, I'm just simply adding a background. So choose the square, draw the square, and use the color you like. Okay, by adjusting the colors and saturation and brightness. Okay, yeah, I'm simply choosing this color. And I need to add a ladder. Okay, so for that I'm using lines, draw a line. Again, one more line and some horizontal lines. That's it. Okay, now go to code. My man is too big, so let me reduce the size of him to 50. Okay, now ready. Now he needs to start from here. So go to motion, fix his position. He needs to start from here when I click the flag. Okay, then what I need to do, I need to simply change his costume. So go to looks, next costume. Okay, and that should be for not forever. So I need him to reach the, sorry, this is for changing the costume. Okay, and then he needs to climb up. Okay, so I already told you how to make the sprite move up. I need to use the Y coordinate. Okay, so for that there is a block called go to motion, scroll down, change Y by 10. That is, I'm changing the Y position by 10. So if he is in, say for an example, he is in 7. If I click change Y by 10, so 17. Okay. Then if I click 10, 27. Like this, I am make him go up by 10 steps. Okay. So I need to use change y by 10. Okay. And he needs to change the costume. Okay. Like this. And I don't want this to happen forever, but I need this to happen for some number of time. Okay. Until he reaches this top. Okay. So for that, you have a block called repeat. So this repeat is for make the action, do the action for some number of time. So let me add this inside. Let's see. Okay, yeah, good. 10 is okay. Or if you want to increase the number, you can increase it like this. Okay. Or if you want to decrease the number, you can decrease. Like say for an example, 8. Okay. So I'm clicking the flag. Yes. Like this. Okay. So the repeat is for making the action happen for some number of time, whereas forever will happen again and again until the end of the project. Until you click stop, it happens. Okay. That is the difference between repeat and forever. Okay. You people try this on your own. You can draw anything. You can draw like flower. Okay. So use this circle and use the circle again.
On doubt. But
Yes.
change y by 10, what is the difference between the glide and the change? Glide
Glide
also,
is,
it's
yeah.
oh yeah.
Yeah. Glide also, like, but glide, if you use glide, that is, you are making it go to a particular place. Okay. So change y is for moving, like, you can use both of them, but so if you don't want to reach a particular position, but it should keep on moving up or down, then you can make use of change y by 10.
Okay.
Okay.
It can come down also, ma'am, automatically. It goes only up,
No,
no?
no, if you want to make it come down, again you have to use negative 10.
Negative one. Okay.
Negative in front of the number.
Okay.
So negative 10 means it comes like this.
Okay.
Positive means up. Down means negative.
For negative, you have to make another one code. Isn't it, ma'am? Repeat.
You can have it here, like add wait seconds. Change y by 10. But the costume should be different one. Oh, sorry. It should go up, then it should come down. So add another repeat, then you have to, sorry. You have to add one more next costume. Like this.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the difference between forever and repeat, and change y is for moving
How
up and
you
down.
delete that code, ma'am?
Just simply put back. Just click and just throw it away. That's it.
Click and dragging, ma'am.
Dragging. Just click and drag
Okay.
to the palette. That's it. Okay. So since we are running out of time, I am not I cannot allow you to make this. You can try it on your own pace at own learning. Like you can create any other. Okay, you can create flowers, you can create any other, and you can try it with that. Okay. So finally, let's have a quick quiz. Then we can wind up the session. Okay. So all of you just type the options. Okay. What does go to XY block do? Moves the sprite to a specific location, rotates the sprite, set the sprite speed, set the sprite's direction. Very good. Very good. Yes, it moves the sprite to a specific location. Then next, How do you change the color effect of a sprite in Scratch? Using the turn block, using the change color, using the switch costume, using the go to XY. Very good. Yes, using the change color effect by block. Very nice. Good. Next, what happens when you use forever block with a wait block inside it? The script stops running. The script runs once and then stops. The script runs continuously with a delay between each iteration. The script repeats a specific number of times. Yes, very good. Yes, the script runs continuously with a delay between each iteration. Good. And the next question is, what does the play sound until done block do? Plays a sound and continues to the next block. Play a sound and waits until it finished before moving to the next block. Stops a sound, records a new sound. Very good. Yes, it plays the sound and wait until it finished before moving to the next block. Very good. And the next one is, what does the change y by 10 block do? Move the sprite up by 10 units, move the sprite horizontally by 10 units, change the sprite's costume, moves the sprite down by 10 units. Move the sprite up or down or horizontally or sprite's costume. Yes, it moves the sprite up by 10 units. Up. Change y by 10 means, y means making the sprite move vertically. Okay. Then what is the difference between repeat and forever block? Repeat runs a specific number of times while forever runs continuously. Repeat runs continuously while forever runs a specific number of times. Repeat plays sound while forever runs scripts. Repeat stops scripts while forever runs scripts. Yes. The answer is A. Repeat runs a specified number of times while forever runs continuously. Very nice. I'm very glad that you have grasped the blocks very quickly. Very nice. And yes, and also not only animation, you can create games also. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can create games like pop the balloon. If you pop each time, your score will be increased. Can you see the score increasing? So it is with the help of variables. You can make use of variable and you can display the score. You can increase the score. Okay. And there are another concepts such as clones are there. Okay. So we just introduced the Scratch to you. Okay. This is not everything. You have to learn on your own way. Okay. There are lots and lots of concept in it. So I'm showing some of the examples. So see here. So these are clones. The bullets are clones. The enemies are clones. So you can create shooting games. You can create jumping games. You can make everything with the Scratch blocks. Okay. So hope you had enjoyed the session and had fun doing Scratch. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So Scratch is really fun. You can try it on your own. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for your patience and cooperation. And you have asked doubts. You clear the doubts. It was very good. The session was so engaged. I really appreciate your enthusiasm and engagement throughout the session. Thank you all. Over to Bhavya.
Thank you, Ramatilaka ma'am. This
Thank
was a
you.
wonderful session, and thank you everyone for staying till the end. We are seeing 100% attendance for this workshop also. And the last one, that activity that Ramtala ma'am has given, just take it up as a homework and feel free to share your work in Skills by Codepreneur community, so that even others will know how easy Scratch is to learn. Anyone can learn it. And we will be conducting more programs for women covering technical as well as non-technical skills. We will share this calendar very soon. And thank you once again, everyone. You can leave the session. And please share your feedback also in Skills by Codepreneur community, so that it will help us to bring up more sessions, and we can, if we want to make any changes to session, we will also take your feedback also. Thank you.